What's up guys, JTech here. Be a quick video on Main City. Let's get into it. What is Main City? Main City is a tycoon-style Web3 game that is powered by the Kronos network. As of this recording, the game is scheduled to release August 30th, 2023. Since it is releasing soon, I want to go over the most important things for Main City. The best way to do that is to go over some sections of the Main City playbook released for the game. Everything you'll ever need for the game is in detail here. I'll leave the link to the playbook in the video description. First, introduction. Welcome to Loaded Lines Main City, an innovative Web3 game that combines engaging gameplay with blockchain technology to create an immersive and interactive gaming experience. In this captivating virtual world, you can build your dream city from the ground up, strategize your growth, and compete against other players for fantastic rewards. So, what's the objective of the game? Loaded Lines Main City offers players a world of possibilities, allowing you to shape your gaming experience and pursue objectives that resonate with your passions and skills. We've broadly defined several paths for you under the playstyle section, but ultimately, the choice is yours. Forge your own path and redefine success in the captivating Web3 game. Okay, now that we know what Main City is and what the objective is, what do we need to play it? You'll need at least one Crypto.com land, the first frontier NFT of any tier. These collectibles can be purchased from Crypto.com NFT or minted. I already have a video on my channel on what Crypto.com NFT is and how to sign up for an account if you're interested in possibly joining Main City. I also plan on making a video after this one to help with purchasing a Crypto.com land, the first frontier NFT. I think the reason most people will be interested in Main City is that you can earn Crow while playing. For those who are new to the term Crow, it's the native token of the blockchain designed for Crypto.com, meaning that you can play the game, earn Crow, and if you wanted to, you could swap Crow for fiat, also known as any currency that is issued and backed by a government, like the US dollar. Or if you wanted, you could also swap to any other token for that matter. Now that you know Main City is a play to earn Web3 game, how exactly can we earn Crow in Loaded Lines Main City? You earn Crow by either exchanging your hard-earned vouchers from the competitive mode at a fixed rate or by selling your blueprints and or businesses in the in-game marketplace to other players, which is available in both modes. Those were the main points I wanted to cover: what Main City is, what the objective is, what you need to play, and how you can earn Crow while playing. There are many more Main City videos on the way. Hopefully this video was informative and easy to understand. Any comments or questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, dislike, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.